second part of agriculture chapter. Now here we are discussing about the various cropping pattern that are held in India. So India has three cropping seasons. It is Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. So first we are going to discuss about Kharif crops. So this is a monsoon climate, okay, and it sown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country and harvested in September, October. Basically, this season is a Kharif season. Importantly, paddies, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, soya bean are grown in this season. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal region of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast along with Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Recently, paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, three crops of paddies are grown in a year. That is known as As, Aman and Boro. Second is Rabi crop. These are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Important crops are mainly it is asked for 1 marks. Rabi crops कौन से हैं या what are the Rabi crops? Wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Which states are executing this Rabi crop? Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh are mainly Rabi crop. Mainly they produce wheat. Availability of precipitation during winter month due to the western temperate cyclones help in the success of these crops. The success of green revolution. What is green revolution? Hari Kranti. Growing of green vegetation plant large scale. This revolution took place in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh. Part of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of Rabi crops. Now third one is Zaid crop. This is basically a summer crop. Zaid season is a short season between Rabi and Kharif season during the summer months. Crops produced are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Now this is a major crops pattern, that is a variety of food and non-food crops. So we have to learn this what comes in the major crops grown in India as a part of grain, that is rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Food crops other than grains are sugarcane, oilseed, tea, coffee, horticulture crop. Non-food crops are rubber, fiber crops, cotton and jute. Rice is the major food crop of India. We can say it as a staple food crop. A majority of people in India take rice. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is basically a Kharif crop. It is grown in the monsoon climate. Temperature 25 degrees Celsius, having a climate of high humid, rainfall above 100 centimeter, grown in north and northeastern India, coastal area of deltaic region. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube well have made it possible to grow rice in the area of less rainfall, such as कहाँ पर होता है ये भी हमें ध्यान रखना है, पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश and part of Rajasthan. We can see this area in a map. It is given in your textbook. Major areas of rice grown area in India and minor area. Another major crop grown is wheat. It is the second most important cereal crop. Main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country, requires cool growing season and bright sunshine at ripening time. It requires rainfall of 50 to 75 centimeter. And important zones are Ganga, Satluj Plain, Black Soil region in Deccan, And major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, part of Madhya Pradesh. This is a map that is showing wheat cultivation in India, major area and minor area. Another major crop is maize that is used as both food and fodder. This we can remember. And it is also a kharif crop. Temperature it grows in 21 degree to 27 degree Celsius. Basically in alluvium soil. In states like Bihar, it is grown as a rabi crop also. It is used by having high yield variety of seeds, fertilizers, irrigation that have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Third major crop is pulses. India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses in the world. Major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. And there are many pulses we know as tur, ahar ki dal, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry condition. And they restore soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air, because of which it is grown in rotation with other crops. Basically, states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka.